This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing MSI Afterburner or the vendor's utility. Make sure your GPU drivers are current. Once done, run the tool as administrator and close background apps so readings are stable. You want to enable the user-defined fan control option and unlock any voltage or frequency locks. This lets you edit the fan curve directly. While you're here, note baseline idle and load temps so you can measure change. Those numbers explain why you'll pick curve points next. Next, build a fan curve. Place 4 to 6 points mapping temperature to RPM, idle temps map low RPM, high temps map to 100% so the fan ramps smoothly. After setting the curve, hit apply, then run a real GPU load for 5 to 10 minutes and watch temps and RPMs in the monitor window. If temps fall too slowly, steepen the slope between mid and high points. If noise spikes, soften that segment. Make incremental changes, then retest until you reach the temperature versus noise balance you want. Finally, save your tuned fan curve to a profile and enable the Apply at Startup option so settings persist after reboot. Once saved, validate under real-world use for 15 to 30 minutes, play a game or run a benchmark to ensure temps remain steady and the fans behave predictably. If something goes wrong, revert to the default profile immediately, then troubleshoot. If fans ignore commands, make sure drivers and vendor overlays aren't blocking control. Confirm physical power connectors, and note that some GPUs have BIOS locks that prevent external control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.